Hey everyone, how's it going? Jamie here with Originality.ai. Originality.ai is an online plagiarism and AI content detector, boasting a 99% accuracy rating for its AI content detection. Today, I'm going to be bringing you another tutorial for a free tool that we're releasing. It's an SEO title generator tool. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in the tool. So you're just going to enter some text in this box here. I just got ChatGPT to generate me some content. And then you're going to enter the key phrase that you want to be focusing on here. So I actually want to focus on the word majestic. That's what I'm trying to rank for at the moment. So I'm just going to enter that key phrase there. Alternatively, instead of entering some text, you can upload a file or enter a URL. It's going to grab the first 1,000 words from that file or that URL. Once you've done that, you can take a look at these options here. So we have a bunch of different languages. We have different tones. And we have some different styles here. We also have the option here of asking the tool to generate a different number of title counts. So once we've picked the language, tone, style, and title count, we're going to just click Generate Titles, and we're going to let the tool do its work. So we can see here, these are the options that we entered, and we can see that it's integrated my key phrase into the title. It also gives a quick description based upon the content and an image alt as well. These are SEO optimized to help you rank on Google. Let's just do a quick other one just to show you. Let's do French. I don't speak French, so I don't know how well it's going to turn out. And we'll pick 3, generate titles again. And we'll give it a second. And we can see we have these 3 different options here. You can easily copy and paste these options. And it also gives us the character count and the word count for the title. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I've been Jamie with Originality AI. Check out some of the other free tools in our collection, and I'll see you next time.